The main benefit of using the Airdyne bike is that it provides a full body, high intensity workout that quickly elevates your heart rate and builds strength by engaging both the upper and lower body muscles. This makes the Airdyne bike ideal for HIIT workouts. Here's how to use it correctly. Stand next to the bike and adjust the seat so that it is level with your hip. When you sit on the bike, your legs should be almost fully extended when the pedal is at its lowest point. Move the seat forward or backwards so when the pedal is at its forwardmost position, your knee is slightly bent and aligned with the ball of your foot. Sit down on the seat and place your feet securely on the pedals and grip the handles. The handlebars offer multiple grip options, including a high overhand grip, a neutral palms facing in grip, or a low overhand grip. Begin pedaling at a comfortable pace to get used to the motion. The handles will move back and forth as you pedal, allowing you to engage your upper body as well. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and your core engaged to maintain stability. Use a full range of motion for both your legs and arms by pushing and pulling the handles to work your upper body while maintaining a steady pedaling rhythm with your legs. To increase the intensity, pedal faster while pushing and pulling the handles more vigorously. You can also just focus on an upper body only pushing and pulling workout while resting your legs on the foot bar, or a lower body only workout by letting go of the handles. Use the console to track your time, distance, speed, and calories burned. Incorporate intervals by alternating between high intensity burst and lower intensity recovery periods. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.